Welcome to 3D comparison. So let's take a look how we can transfer models from Blender towards Unity with animation. And the case study will be with a car. So I'm just going to import over here from desktop. I have over here the following car model. Now, as you can see, for this car, I initially need to define some animations. So for the main chassis over here, I'm going to press Tab to go within Edit mode, A, P, in order to separate by loose parts. Let me also over here enable screencast keys. Okay, so now I can select, for example, the door, and I can do various animation on axis. Now let's define over here a pivot point for this door. So with the door selected, I'm going to hold down Shift, right click, and when I'm going to right click, the 3D cursor will be positioned. Then I can go within Object, Set Origin, Origin to 3D cursor. And now when I will do an animation, I will actually use that pivot point. Now let's define over here animation. I want from frame 1 to 90 to open the door. So I'm going to press over here auto keying. I'm going to press R on the keyboard, enter to define the starting position, and all the way to frame 90. I will then open this, let's say minus 60 degrees. As you can see over here, I should also link everything connected to the door, but for this case study, I will just leave that single mesh over here. So we have the animation. As you can see, the mirror will go as following. So it would be recommended to go ahead and select the components, for example. For example, for this, I'm going to press P, separate. Also for the mirror, now we see that the mirror is now separated, but keep in mind that there are additional elements over here. So I'm just going to link those two, hold down Shift, Control, click on that, press Control L. And over here, we're going to see that with Ctrl L, we can do the following links. So we're actually going to press Ctrl and P. This will be for parenting. I'm going to keep transform in this case. And as you can see, now when I will open the door animation, I will play that. Those additional meshes will follow along. But keep in mind that it would be recommended to go ahead and link everything connected to the door so that the animation will look good. But this will be regarding multi-animation. So I'm just going to select over here the hood. And I want to create over here animation that will start from 120. So I'm going to press R and enter. Initially, I will need to define the pivot point. So I'm going to select the pivot point to be somewhere over there. And this is a starting point, and all the way to frame, let's say 210. I want this door to open like this. So minus 40 degrees. Now I can check the animation from the start. If I'm going to press spacebar, we see 0 to 90 will be the door animation. After that, we're going to have the hood animation. Now, in order to transfer this towards Blender, we will need to use over here the following workflow. So we have over here the non-linear animation. And over here, as we can see, we can also view those individual animations within the scene. So the first one will be for the door. I can go ahead and I can rename it over here. So as you can see, we have the following name over here. I'm just going to call this door. Double click on this will be the hood. And over here we have the following button, push down action. So this will actually push down the animation on top of the NLA stack as a new strip. It's important that you're going to check those in this case. So now those will be pushed over here on the keyframing, and that means if I'm going to go within File, Export, I want to export this as an FBX. I'm just going to call this car1. I can also check over here that I want to take only the selected, so I don't have any lights and cameras within the scene, so it shouldn't be a problem because those will not be moved towards Unity. If you would have also texture, it would be recommended to embed those over here with copy. In this case, it's not important since I don't have any texture apply over here within Blender. And over here for the animation, I'm just going to leave NLA strips over here. And the name will be, let's say, car1, export FBX. And now within Unity, if I'm going to right click, import new asset. And I know that from the desktop, this will be car1. So this will be the model. And now we have that loaded. And as you can see, we also have over here a preview. Keep in mind over here that the orientation within Unity will be Y going upwards, but you can play over here the animation, and this will be the door, as we can see. This will be the hood, and both animations will play over here. That means I can just drag and drop. When I'm drag and dropping this within Unity scene, actually the orientation will be well defined, since it will see the ground floor orientation, and will be that model. And if I will expand this, we're going to see that we have an animation entitled car, and we have an animation over here at the end entitled hood. So we can go ahead and we can further work with those directly over here. So this is how you can move an object with multiple animation from Blender towards Unity. And over here, you're going to have the possibility to add various interactions using, for example, the SteamVR button prefabs over here. And I already have a video regarding that on my channel. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you can consider to subscribe. You're going to find the button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.